Okay, we'll walk around it real quick here. Remember I told you, it doesn't look like any scratches. So I put new paper on it. We have a whole bunch of paper with it. That's the front roller. This is the back. Let me see if I can turn the light on there. There we go. This is the back of that platen. Okay. There we go. We got some new, those are the finished ones. The ones down below are the rougher ones. Okay. All under here is perfectly clean. The mat, I told you, was perfect. There's no grooves in the brake. Look at it. I know it's a 2004, but it's perfect, considering. Yep. Look at no scabs on the guard. Okay. Buttons are all perfect. There's nothing worn off.